What if I tell you that this is not your regular sausage roll, but a ripe plantain sausage roll? Now, let me show you how I achieved that. In a clean bowl, add in your sugar, egg, and milk. Mix to combine very well. Now, after mixing, if you have olive oil, add in. If you don't have olive oil, use vegetable oil or melted butter. Once you are done mixing, go in with your sieved flour. Always make sure to sieve your flour. Then you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, it's either you mix with your spatula or you mix with your fingers. Mix to combine very well until you achieved a perfect and smooth dough. Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for joining in. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn your notification on. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos. After mixing to achieve a perfect dough, transfer it on a work surface and knead for 2 minutes. Then transfer it back to the bowl, cover and set it aside to rest for 10 minutes. Now, do you have 3 ripe plantains? Help me to bring it, wash them and cut into smaller sizes. Transfer them into a clean pot, add little water and cook until it's 100% done. All the vegetables that I'll be using in this recipe has already been chopped behind the camera. Don't worry, I will list everything in the description box. Now the plantain is ready. I'm going to peel them, add them into a clean bowl and mash into a smooth paste. Now I will go in with the chopped vegetables and a tuna fish and continue mixing until everything comes together. You can also replace the tuna fish with sardine or you can skip it totally. Now back to our dough. After 20 minutes of resting, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on a work surface. Cut them into smaller sizes. Now I will get one part of it and start to work with it. Please, if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share this video, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Now, after rolling out the dough, I'm going to shape the both sides, add in the plantain mixture and roll it. Please pay attention as you are rolling it. Make sure to use your fingers to adjust the both ends so that the plantain mixture doesn't pull out. After rolling it, make sure you touch some water on the ending part of the other side to have a very perfect sealing. For more clarification, I'm going to repeat the process again. You roll out the dough, shape the both side, add in the plantain fillings, then roll. Make sure to adjust the 2 ends, or you can use your pizza cutter to adjust the 2 ends after rolling it. Carefully arrange all in a baking pan and bake until it's ready. Your plantain sausage roll is ready. Try this recipe and you won't taste normal sausage roll again. Even that your overripe plantain that you're about to throw away, you can use it to try this recipe. Thank you all, and do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again. Bye.